Just got a real quick one on this adjustable door and window security bar. Here it is in action. You put it 12 to 18 inches from the door, and it just anchors under the door, and it's very strong. Extra little security. You got going on a trip, go into a hotel room, you want to make sure no one comes in. It's a nice easy way that won't damage anything in the hotel deal, but no one can open the door. It's a nice fast security bar. You can use it for windows and doors and other stuff as well, and it's adjustable for different heights, but you want it to sit for a door between 12 and 18 inches away from the door, and that's that. Also works good for patio doors or for windows, so it just gives a lot of different options. So